portion. By the CBSE resource person session points are as follows.
Guys, this is a
By
short
next
video
week,
which
CBSE will release the term I and term 2 portion. MCQ pattern must be practiced in our school assessments in order to make the students familiar with it. Board exam MCQs will be of moderate level, neither basic nor standardized, only up to the level of class 10 and 12 students. 1 marks questions and exemplar notes will be of great use in practicing MCQs. Teachers can make use of this. CBSE will also issue sample papers and supporting materials soon. There are no deletions in the portions of grade 9 and 11. Both the classes to be handled as in the previous year.
guys, you can understand from this point that the syllabus of 9th and 11th remains same. There is no change in syllabus, neither the pattern of exam. You can see here that we can conduct one single exam in a year for class 9th and 11th, whereas the matter of class 10th and 12th comes, then we will conduct the exam 12th and 10th will be only in MCQ pattern for year 2021-22.
Better to have one single final exam for these classes. No need to conduct term I and term 2. Only a single term exam as they cover whole syllabus. Regarding projects for grade 12, subject teachers can initiate as soon as possible with the aim of providing ample time for students. No need to concentrate on art integrated projects.
This is also one of the major change in the last year syllabus and this year syllabus, which we can notice here that in this year there is no concentration of art integrated project, whereas last year we had to continue with art integrated project.
As of now, students should be given more explanation on the concepts to meet the different MCQ patterns, case-based, application-based, assertion and reasoning, activity-based, etc.
So finally you can understand by these few points, these are the points which tells us about the pattern to be coming in the next year, or you can understand this session. Thanks for watching, keep watching and do subscribe, share and like for being up to date related to such notice and messages. Thank you.